The daily code snippet. One form element that we were not able to get to in our last video was the Optgroup element. It is used with the select element to group some of the option elements together. There are two attributes that work with the Optgroup element, disabled and label. The disabled attribute makes none of the options within a grouping selectable. The label attribute is used to name a group of options. Here is an example. So looking at our example, the for attribute for the label element for breeds binds to the ID attribute of breeds in the select element. And then instead of having several options in one row, we see that we have option elements within different opt groups. And these opt groups basically group some of the options together. So for instance, all the breeds that have to do with dogs are together in an opt group labeled dog breeds, while the groupings of cat breeds are grouped into an opt group for cat breeds, and then the different types of birds are in an opt group for bird breeds. And for other types of animals, we have an other, and the option is that it is not listed. And that opt group actually uses the disabled attribute. So when we look at how this appears on our screen, we see that the browser has it grayed out. So none of the options in the other opt group are selectable. The grouping of elements helps to make a drop-down list of several options more manageable. Presented by Designers Learn Code.